Here's another elevator at the Sheraton Kauai Hotel in Poipu, Kauai, Hawaii. It's an Otis. These are your Otis Series 2 fixtures, and newer Series 3, I think 3, newer Series 3 floor indicator. Let's head back up to 4, and we'll watch the numbers going up. This one kind of rumbles a bit. I'll go back down to 2. Door closes faster on some of the others, but on some elevators, but now it's just going up. And there it goes. And that's it.